Hello everybody. So today we have a very quick job. Let's have to change the hard drive and the model number. I'll show you. This is HP J6. Beautiful laptop, i5. Let me just move my camera down so you can see this. It's a beautiful laptop here. Awesome, nice condition. What we have to do, we have to change and replace the hard drive. So this should be so quick, don't worry. It's a very easy one. Just take it out the screw and just flip it to the back. Just push from the top side and then flip it here on your right side, because there's our locks here. If you just pull it from here, it will break the lock, so just careful. From the right side, just put like this. Here you go. The hard drive is here now. Just take it out and then nicely click this. So take the rubber out like this, like this. Grab the new hard drive like this. Put the rubber on. Put the rubber on the front and back, both sides, and now I have to put the jack in. Jack in like this. Just a moment. Okay, so this we have to just put it back, and now I have to put the cover back. If you want to change the RAM, the also RAM is here. You can upgrade it if you want to be upgraded. So Wi-Fi card also here. If there's some Wi-Fi issue or Wi-Fi problem, you can just open the back cover and just replace it. It's so quick and easy. Hard drive, RAM, and Wi-Fi. This is the main three issues normally. For covering back, you have to put this lock first. It have a space to be room to be flip it inside, and then now make sure the edge should be clean, because there are lock at the front as well. And just tie the screw. There you go. And now it's a beautiful laptop. We'll turn it on. Okay, here you go. So the laptop is ready to use. Let me move camera up, and now I can see myself. Yes. So that's the way you can do and done this job in less than 10 minutes. I mean, if there's some hard drive problem, you want to be replaced it, or you want to upgrade it from normal hard drive to SSD drive, it's the quickest way. Especially in this model, it's very quick. You can just replace it and just upgrade it. I hope you like the video. It's the shortest video ever I made it until now. Anyways, take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching me. Like it and share it. Maybe somebody has the same model and he needs some help, or she needs some help. Yeah, helping hand for everybody. Bye now.